Michelle coming to you from the Junior Station, away from the Junior Station, here at the beautiful, picturesque Villa Premier Boutique Hotel and Romantic Getaway. I am here on behalf of them from last year's Taste Awards. I won one of their sponsored medals, and I am here to tell you I am so grateful. It is peaceful and gorgeous, and I can't wait to share this experience and the amazing food that comes with it. So let's go.
Check-in begins with putting you in relaxation mode. Your bags are quickly tagged and champagne offered. Then you enjoy a chair massage before your room butler takes you up for a tour of your room amenities. You enter with a clean and calm feeling, a pillow and aromatherapy menu, bathrobes and slippers, and earth-conscious toiletries. A minibar with Nespresso coffee to start off your mornings on your private balcony where you can listen to the ocean and enjoy the views. Once you're ready to start your day, consider taking the stairs instead of the elevator to appreciate the artwork in the stairwells and poems on the walls. This one by James Joyce. Beyond the lobby towards the pools is this unique fountain to lead you to a breakfast with a view of the pools and the oceans. It's quiet, peaceful, and beautiful. First, eggs Benedict, sausage, hash browns, and roasted tomato with fresh fruit, coffee, and juice. On other mornings, we tried French toast, salmon toast, breakfast burritos, and even waffles with no shortage of fresh fruit, bursting with flavor and so juicy. Most days we walked the beach and then relaxed in the resort's 2 well-appointed pools. With plenty of lounge chairs and cabanas, you're sure to be comfortable all day if you so choose. It's easy to connect with your partner here and simply be together, enjoying each other's company. Did I mention that this is an adults-only property catered towards romance? Well, not to worry, the sister property next door is equally beautiful and family-friendly. You're welcome to visit the property and enjoy meals there with your all-inclusive band. One of the many perks we enjoyed was the poolside menu. We relaxed in our loungers and ate plenty of wonderful food. Probably too much food, but vacation calories don't count, right? Shrimp tacos, beef tostadas, burgers, and fresh chips with guacamole. One afternoon, we took a stroll down the boardwalk where you'll find lots of shopping, restaurants, statues, and street performers. But be ready to tip if you linger too long. Seaside wildlife afforded us viewings of diving pelicans and the sounds of crashing waves lulling the rocks back and forth. It's so calming to listen to the waves as the sun goes down. One evening, we walked back down towards the boardwalk to check out the nightlife. The restaurants were still open, as were quite a few shops where we picked up some souvenirs for the kids. Of course, a few bars and such were open too, but we elected to return to the resort for a calmer evening in one of the other restaurants. We truly enjoyed our mornings by the sea and only got room service breakfast on our last day so we could pack without rushing. We took a tour of the sister property where you'll find a beautiful walkway full of lush greenery and palms as well as multiple pools. A stunning restaurant and bar with beautiful artwork on the walls and a well-maintained garden path, plenty of flowers to smell along the way. We We ventured off the property to the water park to experience the dolphin discovery, where you'll get an expert education about the dolphins, what's endangering them, and how you can help. If you so choose, you can experience the different levels of interactions with the dolphins, with options for many budgets and a photo package available for purchase as well. We learned so much, and we will cherish this experience and our time with them. One of the highlights of our trip was the romantic private seaside dinner, just the two of us and our fabulous waiter, Caesar. There are a few menus to choose from, and you can each select a different one. We very much enjoyed the Love at First Sight and the Sunset of Love menus, consisting of lamb, lobster, and octopus. The asparagus and pistachio ice cream soup was out of this world delicious. From appetizers to soup, entrees to desserts, we were in absolute food heaven.
There you go.
Oh, that's beautiful.
This is the lamb.
Yes.
The silence of the lamb.
Silent, all right.
More beautiful. There you go. More
Whoa.
risotto with octopus and lobster. As you watch it on
Wow.
TV.
That's insane.
First taste of octopus. Let's do it.
Okay.
Tell me, what's it like?
Different than anything I've ever had.
Is it good?
Very good.
Okay.
It's like fish with a hint of chicken.
Okay, I'm gonna try it myself.
A little bit more of the texture of chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's weird. Nothing bad about it.
Towards the end, we asked Caesar to surprise us with an after-dinner cocktail, and he did not disappoint.
Licor 43. That's a sweet one.
Okay.
Right? It's the yellow one.
Okay.
And ice.
Okay.
And my movements.
Oh.
That's it. Okay?
In your movements.
I already got everything here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Did you remember this movie, The Mask?
Yes.
We love
Favorite?
Jim Carrey.
When he's frees out of the park with the police. And they play a music.
Show us. Do it.
Remember?
Yes, I love it. That's the best.
I need a man.
Oh, professional level.
Shake it. Hard. Let's shake it.
I'm a,
Shake it. Hard. Sir, I said like a man.
I'm shaking like a man that's going out in the ocean. Okay?
All right.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Well, we gotta get
Okay.
We gotta get it out. Hold on. Let me get it.
oh my goodness. Beautiful. He was so informative about the dishes. He always had a smile on his face and knew just when to let us enjoy our meals. Don't worry, Victor. You're still our favorite pool bartender, and we tried to find you for a photo before we left. We were surprised with turn-down service and a tasty treat before bed. The next day, we jumped right into tableside guacamole. There is nothing better than tableside guac. Mahi-mahi with fresh vegetables was delicious. The shrimp appetizers and burrata salad were all so flavorful. There are theme evenings as well. One night was Italian, and there was an Italian. Another night was Mexican, and they change the decor every evening when they do this. A spring salad with pear, soups, pork carnitas, mahi-mahi, and fresh churros. So good. Lovely. Cream soup. Thank you, Armando.
Main dish.
Ma'am, there you go. Churros.
Delicious.
Chocolate spirit. Awesome. There you go.
We celebrated our vacation with a romantic bottle of champagne on the balcony gifted to us by Villa Premier Boutique Hotel and Romantic Getaway. Our stay at this adults-only romance-focused property was truly unforgettable.
Our stay here has been absolutely wonderful. Such a great experience from check-in to check-out. Curated room experience with aromatherapies, nightly menus in the restaurants, different foods in the morning, along with live music. The staff here is absolutely wonderful. Kindness from start to finish. Very friendly and helpful in every way. I cannot wait to come back here, and I hope you come and experience it too.